จริงๆแล้วเป็นคนกลัวความสูงนะแต่ว่าปืนก็ยิงมาแล้วป่าก็ไปนอนมาแล้วแค่ความสูงนิดเดียวจะเป็นไรไปอ่ะสวัสดีค่ะวันนี้เราก็จะพาทุกคนมากระโดดร่มกับความสูงที่ 13,000 ฟุตกับ Skydiving Thailand ที่จังหวัดระยองกันค่ะไปดูกันเลย Let's go let's go
Now we'll explain you what we will do on our jump. Okay. So exit from the plane. You see, we will be sitting on the edge of the airplane. Your legs will be outside and back backwards.
Okay.
Like that. Hands on the harness.
This is the harness.
Yeah, here.
Here.
So you'll just hold like that. Then you will put your head back on my shoulder and looking up. And yeah, it's like that. Yeah, like that. Great. Then when we leave the airplane, after 5 seconds, I will tap you on the shoulder. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
All right.
How long have you been teaching?
I'm here 1 year in Thailand, but I'm instructor more than 15 years.
15 years?
Yeah, instructor.
Okay,
And I
okay.
made my first jump in 1992.
In 1992?
Yeah.
Wow, professional skydiver. Okay. And what are the precautions?
Well, skydiving today is really safe because to become instructor you need to do like at least 500 jumps.
500 jumps.
Yeah. And that's why you're jumping today with me. So I'm experienced skydiver. That way you will be safe.
Okay, let's go. Yay!
Hi! Welcome to Skydive Thailand! You're going to skydiving. Your first time?
It's my first time.
How are you feeling?
Excited?
Excited? Scared?
Not scared.
Not
just
scared.
excited.
Okay, you're so brave. Are you ready now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's see you in the plane! Congratulations, you made it to the ground! Yay! Thank you, Drago!
มันเร็วมากเลยแล้วหูอื้อมากเลยมันดิ่งลงมาเลยแล้วมันจะเสียวหัวใจหลังจากนั้นมันก็โอเคแล้วอ่ะกระโดดลงไปแล้วมันแบบปรืดเลยอ่ะมันลงเร็วมากเลยไม่กลัวความสูงแล้วนะ อยากจะชวนสาวๆทุกคนเลยค่ะทุกคนมาโดดร่มเลยค่ะมาเห็นวิวสวยๆ